What are you two doing?
Trying to order us some dinner.
Could you order me some too? I know you two are hungry, but could you order
We are
me
Puddy.
something also? Sometimes I feel like you guys have like a secret club.
She high-fived me from the front. Good girl.
That's really great.
We got a secret club.
I think it's a secret club, Puddy. Is it just a girls'
Last
club?
night she was, or this morning, she was snuggled up so tight and breathing me in, and she was just going.
Oh my goodness.
It was really cute.
Puddy, are you in a secret club? You could tell me. Secret club?
Yes, I'm in a secret club.
Are you? There you go. Yes. Oh, good girl.
Yes, good girl. Still ordering. She's taking a nap.
Boy, been out there for a while.
I know. This is the girl club?
I know
Got
it's
the
the
girly
girl
furry
club,
wrap?
but I'm just saying, I'm in here. See, I'm here too. And I'm expecting that we were all going to eat together.
I know, I still am ordering.
I feel like I shouldn't even be in here.
Yeah.
So I will leave you guys alone.
In fact, turn off the light.
See you, buddy. Bye-bye. Don't move. No, really. Don't move on my account. All right. Yeah, just stay there. See you later. Now you guys are in the kitchen. I feel like I'm being avoided.
Yes.
You guys are having secret meetings.
We're having meetings.
And I'm starting to feel like there's a conspiracy going on.
Yes. Good enough.
Oh, really?
That was an arm five.
Secret,
I didn't want her to fall.
Handshake?
That's what we do.
That's your secret handshake.
Yeah.
Good girl, Puddy.
Good girl. See, we do the wrist five in our club.
Puddy, what's going on? Why do you have secret handshakes and stuff? Huh?
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Bye, Puddy.
Wait.
Yes,
Oh,
bye-bye.
that was
Good
cute.
girl.
Good girl.
It's a tough life you have. Very tough.
Puddy's watching the rain. Was she sleeping? She was awake, wasn't she?
Yeah, all of a sudden popped up.
Snuggling
Just snuggling.
with her mommy.
I noticed that I don't have very much room left on the bed. Keep losing territory over in this area.
You're screwed.
Alright. What are you guys doing?
Just snuggling. Don't mind us.
Just snuggling. Wow. Looks fun.
It is fun.
Looks
You want it to.
It is fun.
It's really fun.
But Puddy, what about me? What about me? Me? Me?
She's like it.
Me?
She loves a rainy day to snuggle on the bed.
What about me, Puddy? All right, Puddy. I'll talk to you later. Puddy, what are you two doing?
We're snuggling.
Look at her eyes. Are you tired?
Yeah, she's really tired.
Are you just snuggling? It's a rainy day. Oh,